What if writing wasn't about proving a point you already hold, but about discovering what you think in the first place? This is the heart of discursive writing. It's not persuasive hammer arguing social media is destroying human connection. Instead, it's a quiet question. What does it mean that I feel most connected through screens, yet most lonely scrolling through curated lives? It's thinking made visible. The French essayist Montaigne invented this form as an essay, an attempt, a trial. You start writing not knowing where you'll end up. This feels like a wander, but it's a carefully crafted illusion. Think of it as a spiral structure. You start with an observation, explore it, then return to the center to explore it again from a new angle, deepening your understanding each time without ever needing to find a final answer. The voice is personal, conversational. It uses I and tentative words like perhaps and I wonder. This isn't weakness, it's intellectual honesty. It's admitting you don't have all the answers. This form brings abstract ideas to life through concrete images or personal anecdotes. An idea isn't just stated, it's felt. Consider this line. Grief sits on my chest like a cat, present, heavy, purring with its own contentment, impossible to displace. That's a thought you can feel. In the ending, it doesn't provide a neat solution. It offers a quiet insight, an earned uncertainty. It brings you back to the start, but with a new perspective. You might conclude, maybe silence isn't absence after all. Maybe it's just a sound I haven't learned to hear yet. I'm not sure, and that uncertainty feels honest. Some questions we live with rather than solve. It's the journey, not the destination.